Hi, and welcome to ExportKit. In this example, I'm going to demonstrate our very first React.js export from Figma. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for new and upcoming videos. Let's jump right in. Now, if you're familiar with the plugin, or if you're not, what we have here are our responsive screens for our design. We have other videos covering how to create these, so I'm not going to go over this. What we are going to do, though, is we're in essence going to create a React export using our responsive screen. So this way it will be able to respond based on our screen size. So let's go ahead and export. So for React, there's a couple of simple things that we need to do. We're going to go to our React project. We're going to copy our skins to our public, and we're going to copy all our files into our source. Now the very next step is, because we have an EKApp, what we want to do in essence is just change app to EKApp, and this will allow you to test very quickly and easily how it works. Now if we look at EKApp, let's actually just save this. You'll note that we have our routes that we require for each of our screens, and we can test this very quickly once we run the project. Just going to wait for React to finish building. And now you'll see we have our responsive app. Let's ensure that it works with all the sizes. Now we have other videos that demonstrate how to fix these assets. It's very easy, but I'm not going to go over that in this video. So we have welcome and login. Let's try that out. Here's welcome. And let's try login. Now we also have other videos that explain how to turn these into actual web forms that are useful. But you'll see quick and easily we took our Figma designs and we were able to convert them easily into a fully working React app. Now the only thing we missed were our prototypes, but you can take my word for it, they work.